You are the best friend, or I'd say you're the best person. As soon as I finished reading this novel, I had more appreciation for Anisha, oblique Ankita ma'am, than you, Ajay sir. But does it matter anyway? Hey, this is Shreya and you're watching the book Butterfly. In case you... बहुत हो गया चलो. So as soon as I finished reading the novel, there was this Anisha's aspect at the end of the novel, in which when I read from her side, I was like, कितनी awesome है यार. Because she was doing all these things for a person she didn't even know. So I felt a kind of attachment to her. Because when you know someone, you obviously do great things for them, but when you don't know about them, you neither expect, or I think you don't even offer your help to anyone. So that is the best thing I think that Ajay said you got as your best friend. Like all the things that she did to make him one of the best authors in India, and his novel a national bestseller. I think नो फ्रेंड कैन डू ऑल दिस. मैं अपना बेस्ट फ्रेंड मान के चलूँ, मैं 100 रुपये मांग दूँ, उसको मौत आ जाएगी. थोड़ा सा मैं पहली जो बुक थी विच मेड हिम एन ऑथर, विच बुक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू द नेशनल बेस्ट सेलर, You're the Best Wife. It is a non-fiction, I would say an autobiography. It was a part of his life, a beautiful chapter which he eventually converted into a book. So that is an amazing book. Like I have myself, मेरे जो friends ये videos देख रहे हैं, अगर वो देख रहे हो ना, तो reply comment कर लिया करो थोड़ा सा. That I have suggested them this book a lot more times. Abhishek, he was still reading this book. He's a cricket player and he was telling me that he haven't finished it yet, but okay. So I have recommended it to most of my friends and they were like, wow, this story, जब कुछ भी बात, कोई भी बात अगर दिल से निकली होती है ना, तो it always leave an impression. That is You're the Best Wife. बहुत ही प्यारी book. I'm not promoting any author or any novel. These are my genuine, honest reviews. And believe me, एक बारी मेरी वीडियो देखने के बाद, एक बारी मेरी बात मानकर do give it a try. I think कुछ ने already पढ़ भी ली होगी if you are a book reader. Book. I don't prefer bookworm. I would say buttercup. Book buttercup. So, new name for you guys. So, if you are already into books, so you can definitely read this book, and I am giving you this surety that you will definitely love this book. So this book is actually a series of events. ठीक है, जो हमारी first book थी, the first book You're the Best Wife, we can consider it as chapter 1 of his life of author Ajay K. Pandey, and the second chapter is You're the Best Wife. There are upcoming chapters. I will let you know at the end of the video that you can definitely read all his books. In fact, there is a new book coming out very soon. Check it out on your own. So let me give you this very short summary, no spoilers of course. So होता क्या है कि as soon as Pandey ji finishes his first novel, You're the Best Wife, he was a bit lonely considering the situations that he faced earlier in his life regarding the very first chapter. तो उनके जो साइकेट्रिस्ट होते हैं वो उन्हें सजेस्ट करते हैं he should change his environment and be take some time outside, right? कोई दूसरी country visit कर ली, कोई different place, any other than his current place. Also, he decides to visit Art of Living in Rudraprayag. That was a campaign and he visited that. In that particular campaign, he met this very new best friend Anisha, and there's the second chapter of his life begins. अच्छा, I'm very curious to know, मुझे ये बात बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है हाउ दीज ऑथर्स आर एबल टू डू दिस, स्पेशली अजय के पांडे. मतलब ही इज़ वेरी सिंपल येट सो ऑडेशियस. आई कांट put it into words. So the very fascinating thing that I like about him is how do you pen down all these events. There's a time when you hate that person, there's a time when you start liking that person, and then that person becomes a very important part in your life. How do you actually pen down that hate moment? I don't know, like that makes me very curious, and whenever I would get a chance to meet you, him, then I would definitely like to ask this question. यार दिल्ली तो है ही दिल वालों की, and R. Pandey ji is from Delhi. I don't know where he's staying right now. But so he, according to the novel, I'll consider novel, and he was from Delhi and ma'am was from Gurgaon. दोनों के दोनों मिलते हैं सीपी पे, एंड सीपी से हमारी कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी यादें जुड़ी हैं. हाय दीपिका एंड सुरभि. सो बहुत मज़े करे हम लोगों ने पर्सनली सीपी में, दिल्ली में. इनफैक्ट देयर वाज अ मूवमेंट, हम लोग कैब लेकर गए थे. स्विफ्ट हम लोगों ने बुक करी हुई थी, कैब थ्रू ओला, एंड वी वर सिटिंग 6 टुगेदर इन दैट स्विफ्ट. तो काफ़ी बहुत मज़ा आया था उसमें. हाय अंकी. अच्छा, कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं विच यू बीइंग अ गर्ल ऑलरेडी नो, बट बॉयज़ थोड़े से बुद्धू होते हैं तो दे डोंट गेट इट. सो बॉयज़, इफ़ यूल रीड दिस नॉवल यूल गेट आइडिया. आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि पता है व्हाट आई बिलीव इज़, जब आप एक सर्कल के अंदर होते हो यू डोंट सी थिंग्स दैट थॉरोली, बट आप अगर उस सर्कल से बाहर आके उन दोनों को इंस्पेक्ट कर रहे होते हो, देन यू सी थिंग मोर क्लियरली. रीड दिस नॉवल एंड यूल गेट आइडिया व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. देखो, लड़कों के जो इनसिक्योरिटीज़ होती है ना, विच वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट, वो मुझे क्लियरली दिख रही थी. सो इन केस यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट, ट्राई दिस बुक एंड देन चैलेंज मी. पर मोस्ट ऑफ द चीज़ें तो मैंने कवर कर दी हैं छोटा छोटा करके. मोस्ट नहीं कहूँगी, 1/4 कहूँगी एक्चुअली, बिकॉज दिल्ली उसमें काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. सो ट्राई आउट वट अदर थिंग्स वर देयर. देयर वॉज इन फैक्ट दिल्ली हार्ट वॉज ऑल्सो देयर. सो बहुत सारी डिफरेंट चीज़ें हैं. जस्ट एक्सप्लोर इट, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, यूर द बेस्ट वाइफ इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. आई थिंक दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट एंड ओनली नोवेल apart from Fault in Our Stars that is very close to my heart when we talk about romantic novels. So that much for today.